Hi there, it's Julia again from Stich in Albuquerque. You're a happy quilt shop, and I'm here today to talk about the color wall? No, I am standing in front of the color wall, but that's not what I'm here to talk about today. I want to talk to you about birds. We've got so many fabrics that have birds on them because when you're making a quilt and you're not sure how to just, give it that extra oomph. The one thing you can always do is put a bird on it. Put a bird on it. Put a bunny on it. Put a littler bird on it. Don't like those other birds? Put this bird on it. But wait, there's more. Put these birds on it. 3D. Put some bugs on it. Put some cranes on it. This fabric has birds on it. This is new and it's got birds on it. Hummingbirds. This has got birds on it. Peacocks. You like hummingbirds? We got more hummingbirds. Not a hummingbird? Hummingbird. This one's got birds on it too. This one's got birds on it and you can only get this one at Stich. This one's exclusive to Stich too. Roadrunners. They're birds, right? Yeah. Do you want to put a bird on it, but you're just not sure where to begin? Buy a kit. Catherine put a bird on it. We've got kits. This is that first fabric I showed you at the beginning. It's called Encouraging Birds. Huh? See what I did there? But that's really what it's called. We have a kit. The kit's called The Bird is the Word because bird is the word. Put a bird on it.